What's up? This is Jeff. I am with SSA Jones and we are in Winfield, Alabama. Over here with my buddy Plama Drone. And we're about to rip
some quads.
Rip some.
We're gonna do more than flying.
Rip some quads.
We're gonna push.
Get it correct. Let's dive right into it. Woohoo! Woohoo! So yeah, so I try to fly bomber drones quad and I crashed this quad. So
Very unsuccessfully.
oh come on, it wasn't that bad. No, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it was terrible. It was awful. I thought someone might have died.
But we got the quad back, and yeah, definitely not gonna fly this quad again.
What'd you say, Jeff?
So, Bomber Drone, what are your impression of Jeff flying acro?
No comment, no. Terrifying at first until we found it. Yeah. Little less throttle maybe next time.
Yeah, less throttle, Jeff.
Let's put the goggles on next time. No line of sight.
No line of sight. Yeah, we're gonna cut that part out.
No, we're not. It's in my GoPro.
All right, this is Jeff. And
Damn the drone.
Yep, and we are out of here. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that fun jazz. I'm Jeff with SSH Drones, and I'm signing off. Later, guys.